We're at one of my favorite places besides home. This is like the home away from home. I'm at Six Flags Magic Mountain. I'm only gonna be here for a couple hours. I'm gonna go on a couple of rides. I feel like it's been a long hot minute since I've been here. Thank you. And I walked in here, the security, there was this really nice lady named Gloria. Said, "Oh, are you a YouTuber? I feel like I've seen you." I'm like, "Oh yeah, I'm always here." And I'm just wondering to myself, I'm like, do you happen to see that one video I did doing my makeup on a roller coaster challenge? Which is not technically what you're supposed to be doing at Six Flags. It's about almost 6 o'clock and I think this is gonna be my last ride of the night because I'm gonna head home. So we're gonna go on Goliath. Last ride. Back seat, best seat. What's up, you guys? It is Wednesday. It's been a very productive day. Hubs and I are kind of on a little mini date and we're gonna watch a movie. Feels like I haven't watched a movie with him in a long time. I've been going with my mom lately. So tonight it's a date night, dinner and a date. We're gonna go to Exotic Thai, go eat and watch a movie. Thank you. So we are sharing tom yum soup. I've just had this thing about soup lately. Been really craving it. Pompano fish with bell peppers and tomato. It's a fried fish. Then we have white rice and brown rice. Here at Sally Beauty, here's the display for the My Matte Addiction limited edition liquid lipstick. So each of the influencers, they were able to create their own shade. I actually want to pick up a couple of them, but I'm gonna pick up Lizzie's. Lizzie, love you. So hers is already sold out. I have one of them already on hold, but it's basically already gone. Congrats, Lizzie. At the Oaks Mall, we're going to the AMC theater. I think on weekdays they have like a certain deal where the movies are like $8.99 or so. So we're gonna go watch Venom. Nestle Crunch Dibs. These are so good. I wanted like an ice cream, and the Hubs is gonna get some coffee. I like the storyline because, you know, it gives like an extension of Spider-Man when he had that parasite attached to him. So I thought the movie was pretty good, but Hubs really, he said he didn't like it. Out of 10 he would rate it a 6. But I thought it was pretty good. I mean, if there was like a part 2, would you watch it? He said no. Anyway, I thought the movie was pretty good. I think Darren, if Darren was here, he would have liked it, but Hubs just wasn't a fan. It was still a nice movie date night. Thank you. Thank you for the date night, honey. Thousand Oaks tragedy. Ventura County is basically hit with the fires, so I guess in the area where we live, because the winds are so strong, we might